Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the most favorite collection of borderless semi-soft silk sarees. All these sarees are light in weight, soft in nature and easy to carry, and beautiful and unique buttas are there running throughout the body along with a running or contrast rich pallu and a plain blouse. This beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Please note our payment mode is through online only and avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. And also, if you guys wanted our regular and quicker updates, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for pure Kanchipuram sarees and fancy silk sarees and also pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links be there in the description. Bonadia thank all of you for your consistent support and hope you guys enjoy these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.